how una dey una build na welcome back again to another ogbonge crazy update for Babake TV. Una know as e dey be before we start the story wey carry us come in, my people. Abeg make una like this video, share, comment, at the same time follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go dey see. Thank you very much as you do that. Make we enter the story wey carry us come in, my people. All right, my people, no be small thing dey happen. One of our Nigeria businessman wey dem dey call Obi Cubana, the EFCC don arrest am for money laundering. According to the issue wey dey happen, they say popular socialist and socialite and businessman Obinna Ayabo, aka Obi Cubana, has been arrested by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission for alleged money laundering. It is reported that the Anambra Bond Club owner who arrived the headquarters of the EFCC at Jabi, Abuja at about noon on Monday is currently being interrogated by the operative of the commission. It is alleged that his case bordered on alleged money laundering and tax fraud. The EFCC spokesman Wilson Owujere said he was yet to be briefed on the development. So they say they don't arrest her for money laundering and task force. And this thing, when I see this thing, I just know say really the way things they go, and this guy don't be say in dey into politics things. I know say he get eye go be those our Nigeria politicians. So I know say they don't want to they use eye they see any Nigeria youth wey be say if they do well without they don't go after the person. We know what happened during the case of this Demofai and some other Nigeria youth businessmen like that. So this our brother what they call Big Cubana now, they go after the guy for money laundering. They post some kind of things. Whether the truth, the matter na truth or not, we'll never know yet because they still they investigate the thing. But the guy na very popular person and influential person will be say he get mouth and he get leg for some kind area. I believe say this case, the logo treat her like the way they say treat them Mofai, and they never really show his face, put am for the crime scene the way the EFCC they do am. But come to think about this thing, why be say EFCC they go after the Nigeria youth wey they always dey successful? Why be say EFCC no want to dey use eye dey see any Nigeria youth wey they do well, especially for the south? You know they hear about all those kind of reports from the northern area. Why be say this Buhari regime, this government, the EFCC, they just dey against the youth? Any youth wey just buy car, any youth wey just dey do well, automatically that youth na yahoo boy, that youth na criminal. Just look at the money wey be say the Nigeria government that they borrow up and down, and no any EFCC, nobody they go after them. Nigeria police they go after the youth, calling them criminal. They call the yahoo boy. EFCC they go after youth, so their army they go after youth, custom call they go after youth, everybody they go after youth. And the Nigeria politicians wey they steal our money each and every day, they thief our economy, they carry the money, they go overseas, go they put am for jail. I dey imagine, despite all the corruption, no one of them EFCC don point out say this person he don thief money, don embezzle money. Make una know the corruption wey be say dey happen for the country. That is why we, the youth, as we don already see wetin dey really dey happen for the country, we really need to come outside for this next election. I dey always dey repeat am. Na here now we go for fit get power, take make sure say we change the system of the government of that country. If not, this thing go continue to dey happen, of which all those old criminal and cabals, they go just they make sure say that they suppress the youth for them to succeed for that country. They know they create job opportunity. They know they create anything. And if they borrow money, they go borrow money for necessary things. You go hear say government borrow money for mosquito net. They borrow money just to repair Nigeria generator, which is very bad. So now the thing wey dey happen be that, my people, now say make I report give una, make I give una the update of something, of the thing wey be say e dey happen to our brother wey dey call Obi Cubana. Make una tell me wetin una reason concerning the matter, and make una drop una comment and una opinion below. Make una tell me wetin really dey una mind, wetin una see for the thing wey be say e dey happen for the obodo Naija wey be say we dey. So make we enter another story wey carry us come. My people, una know say time no dey. I say time, my people, make una check out this thing wey be say e dey happen. E happen yesterday for Lagos State, and this thing happen for Ikoyi, for this 20-something story building wey be say e collapse. When I say 28-story building wey collapse for Ikoyi, Lagos State, and this thing don claim the life of 5 people and they rescue 4. And one of the residents of the place where the thing for happen, na the man wey na receive for the video, so e come and come narrate wetin dey happen for the environment. Even they still dey hear some voice of people wey be say they dey shout, dey cry for help for underground of the building wey be say collapse. So I just pray make dem quick come to the rescue of those people. Make I play the video of the man for una, make una hear the way e take dey talk about the matter wey be say e happen for there. Oya, verificate.
Yes, yesterday night around 23:30 hours, we were able to recover one body. I mean, rescued one body, and the body was the one we were trying to track out. So making 5 alive, 4 dead. We had a break, a little, about 1.5 to 2 hours break. By the time when we woke up, we were hearing voices underground, and that's what we are now trying to do. The heavyweight on top. All right, my people, be sure una don hear from the man mouth the way things still dey happen for the collapse building wey be say e just dey. So many people dey never still find their way. Be say they don rescue 4 people, but 5 don die among the 9 people wey be say they don first discover, and 4 still dey alive, and there are some other people wey be say they never still discover. So na so the thing take happen be that. Just pray say make the quick comes to those people aid wey be say the voice wey be say that they hear on the ground, make the quick rescue them before those one lost their life. At the same time, my people, before I end this video, make una check out this man wey be say I dey show una the picture. So this man na native doctor of recent, they just beat this man because this man buried 3-month-old baby alive just for some kind ritual. According to the person wey narrate the thing, they say a Delta State native doctor who lived in Ajoha in Upata Akpeye was caught burying a 3-month-old child alive, and when confronted and beaten to confess, he disappeared. On getting to his house or shrine, hundreds of pictures were discovered and laid, tied and chained to different places. Padlock were in chain, littered everywhere, tied to people pictures. The dead 3-month-old baby was dug up. The angry youth tried all they could to burn down his building in order to set victim in shame free, but the building couldn't catch fire, so they break it down instead. So many items and all imaginable things were found there, and most of those whose pictures were found there are all dead in real life. The good news is that most of those blind and with stroke whose pictures were found there have gained their freedom. As we speak, the blind can see, and those with stroke are perfectly fine. Just imagine this man for the environment wey be say e dey. So any picture, this man, him own native doctor, na to just dey think and dey do bad thing, dey kill people, dey give people some kind different sickness. That is the kind mind wey be say some people just come to this life just to come destroy some human being, just to come destroy human beings, their life. That's why you see those stroke and many things wey dey happen. They no just dey happen just for nothing. Na people na just dey cause those things to many people, those blindness and all those things.
Just imagine wetin dis man dey do for the environment. Now the man dey say e disappear. So now the man e disappear. Whether they still see am, yeah, but they still see am catch according to the picture wey be say I post, and they don arrest the man. And at the same time they try to burn the man building. The building no dey catch fire. So many things like that wey they discover for the man shrine. And those people wey be say some pictures wey they found for the shrine of that man, some of the people they don die, maybe they don kill them spiritually. And most of the people wey be say they bring the picture God give this man make e blind them. Many of them now, and they don destroy the shrine, destroy many things. Many of them they don dey see, and most of them wey the man don give stroke, many of them they don dey work perfectly. So na so God take dey answer some people prayer. Na the head of that small 3-year-old baby wey be say that man wan bury, so wey dem for catch am, na him just rescue those people from the bondage wey be say they don keep them for a very long time. Make you know say no be all people life na you go dey temper with. Some people dey wey carry grace. Yes, the pikin die, but the pikin death set other people free. And may the soul of that little baby rest in peace. And for those wey that man don already use their life kill them, may their soul rest in peace. And may God bring better judgment go give this witch doctor, make e suffer for the rest of his life before he go die, just the same way he kill other people. So na the video be that, and at the end of the video be this, my people. Make una drop una comment and opinion below. Make una tell me wetin una reason concerning all the things wey be say I just show una. So at the same time, if na the first time wey you dey watch my video be this, abeg make you kindly like the video, share, comment. At the same time, follow me on my Facebook page at Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go dey see am one time. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Until I see una again in my next video. Peace out.